Welcome. In this video, we're diving into the PMBOK Guide, a crucial tool for navigating the world of projects. Let's start by understanding what the PMBOK Guide really is and why it matters in project management. The PMBOK Guide provides essential content and value that directly contributes to your project success. Understanding why projects fail is the first step to preventing those failures. Uncertainty, risks, and the lack of a clear plan are common reasons for project pitfalls. Project management isn't just for IT or construction. It spans across various industries. From business to personal projects, PMBOK principles are applicable everywhere. So what exactly is the PMBOK Guide? It's the guide to the project management body of knowledge from PMI, setting a standard and a guide, not a methodology. The PMBOK Guide has evolved over time, shifting its focus from process groups and knowledge areas to principles and value delivery. The evolution is significant. PMBOK version 7 introduces key changes in how we approach project management. Principles guide actions, while performance domains focus on results. Let's see how PMBOK principles can be applied in a real-life project. The stakeholder performance domain is crucial in managing project expectations and communications. Identifying all stakeholders is the first step in effective project management. Choose a personal project and list your stakeholders. How do they influence, and what are their expectations? How does learning about PMBOK change your perspective on project management? Where could PMBOK knowledge have helped in the past, and how will you apply it tomorrow? The PMBOK Guide is your foundation for successful project management. It provides structure, guidelines, common language, and focuses on value delivery. Now it's your turn to share your experiences with applying PMBOK. Try applying a PMBOK principle today and share your experiences in the comments below.